he doesn't want, right? Like,
shout out to Nketiah for 4 goals in 3 or 4 games. But
yeah,
his real level showed again. That's why you have to be able to be sensible, objective, and show some grace. Look at the strikers we're playing with, Lacazette and Nketiah. Like, you're a little bit better than me.
And this same Nketiah, if we didn't give him that chance, I don't think we would have gotten to where we are now.
But see, what I'm saying, I understand what you're saying, but we know his level, regardless. See, sometimes you punch above your weight, but eventually you go back to where
he definitely has something, but not for us.
No, I like that.
Yeah, it definitely has something, not for us, not as a starting.
I like the fact that you're being magnanimous and generous. I don't think he has anything.
No, it has something. It has something for a mid-table team, you know.
Okay, I'll play devil advocate. What mid-table team will make him their first choice striker?
First choice? You can be first choice at Crystal Palace.
Impossible. It's going that guy that bullied Ben White and
Mateta?
Huh?
Mateta
is better than him. Let's be real. Come on, let's be real. You take Nketiah above Mateta. Have you had dinner?
I've not watched Mateta enough, but I know for a fact that Nketiah will do well.
I've watched a few games of Mateta. It might not be prolific right now, but his pace and power and movement. No, come on. I'll take him over Nketiah anytime. So tell me that team, even mid-table, that will take Nketiah as their first choice. Let's be real.
Well,
show me another team that will take Cedric as their second choice, right back. I'm waiting.
No. Even the relegated teams won't take it.
So we are squad building. I understand it's not the pace most of you want, but the Kroenkes are trying to rebuild the squad after ages of neglect. So let's just show some grace.
And that's not to say they didn't make their own mistakes. They made
definitely. We're going to criticize them. They the Kroenkes have their faults.
Yeah, because I think.
But for the last 3 seasons, they've been investing.
And let's not forget,
there's FFP. You can't just bring to throw. They have to be balanced.
Yeah. And having faith in Arteta is also a huge investment that if they can keep it up, they'll reap the rewards for it. Because there's nothing like having a stable manager, right? Because if you start Arteta now and you bring in somebody,
you start all over again.
You start all over again.
Like,
who's to say that it's going to want to work with Martinelli or White? He's probably going to sell it. What if he doesn't get along with them? He's going to want to start. So you are going to have to start the whole process again. No.
Let's be real. Bye from the players from